Now, we all know that cats lick themselves quite a bit. But why do they lick each other? Stay tuned. You are now rocking with the Cool Cats and me, the D.E.V. So, as I'm sure you probably know, cats can lick themselves for hours and hours at a time. They really are obsessed with keeping themselves clean. Now, cats sleep about 14 to 15 hours a day, which means they're only up for 8 or 9 hours a day. Of that 8 or 9 hours awake time, they are grooming themselves 25% of that. What a life, huh? But they also spend quite a bit of time licking and grooming each other as well. But why? Why do cats lick each other? Well, the first reason is that it's a type of socialization for them. It's how cats socialize. It's something called social grooming. You know how y'all get together to play cards, or y'all hang out at the bar, however y'all socialize. Well, this is how cats do it. Why do cats lick each other? This is a pretty interesting subject. I'm sure people have all kinds of opinions about it. So, I thought today that we take it to the street, see what the people think. This ought to be interesting. Let me ask you, so why do you think cats lick each other? They doing what now? Cleaning each other? That's a logical answer, right? Okay, so why do you think cats lick each other?
I would assume, I know like chimpanzees and stuff, and like lions, packs, not packs, but prides or whatever, they kind of take care of each other. So I would assume it's like somewhat of a cleaning routine, and then also like a, I care about you type
Like
thing.
a pack thing?
Yeah,
Taking
like
care of each other.
but I know they're also independent. So if I guess I would say clean each other, but I also know they can clean themselves.
So you say about 3 things.
Yeah, final answer, I'm gonna say, if I had to guess, final answer, I would say to like show affection.
Show affection.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, we touched on social grooming earlier, but why do cats do it? Well, it's done to improve the bond between cats. It's how they bond. So listen, I wanted to get it straight from the horse's mouth. or the cat's mouth in this case. Bruh, man, can you tell me your opinion on why cats lick each other? Why do you lick Robin? I know you the new kid on the block, but that time is kind of past, don't you think? Y'all still licking each other. So come on, give the people a few words of wisdom. I know you not a year old yet, but you got some wisdom on cats licking each other. What do you think? Okay. So Robin, tell us, why do cats lick each other? What do you think? Huh? You are the main one out of everybody that does the licking. So can you share why cats do it? Robin, you seem like you have something you want to say. What is it? Well, tell us. Why do cats lick each other? People want to know. It's an interesting topic. Batman, not licking yourself. Cats licking each other. What do you think? You know, 'cause you do it. Why do cats lick each other? You want to tell me? No? Is it a secret? All this talk about licking and stuff, I feel like I should spend at least a minute or two on the uniqueness of the cat's tongue. Now, most of y'all know that cats have a special kind of tongue. And if they've ever licked you, you know that weird feeling like it feels like sandpaper. But let's break it down just a little bit. So, a cat's tongue is covered by tiny little spines called papillae. And they are made up of the same material that their claws are made of. Yeah. And they are all angled in the same direction, making their tongue like a cone. Now that's unique. So tell me, why do you think cats lick each other? What's your opinion?
So they're getting to know each other.
Getting to know each other? That would be nice.
Form of affection and communication.
Okay, alright.
Why?
So tell me, why do you think cats lick each other?
I mean, it's natural instinct. They clean themselves, clean each other, show affection.
Affection?
Yeah, they don't do that to us, but they'll do it to other cats. Right?
Common sense, right?
Common sense.
Alright.
Cats don't care about us, cats care about cats.
Alright. Another reason that cats lick each other is if one cat detects a health issue in another. In this situation, the cat would focus on, the specific area that's in trouble. So why then are they licking the area? Well, it's to comfort their friend in a time of need. If you see something like this, you may want to take your cat to the vet and get them checked out. One thing for sure about cats licking each other, it's a sure sign that they feel comfortable around one another. Back at home now, just a quick sidebar. had a couple people wanted an update on Hazel. For those of you all who been watching my videos, Hazel is my Oscar fish, and her tank mate of 2 years, Bubba, recently passed away. She was kind of in mourning, and I need to upgrade her tank to a larger size, so I didn't want to put another fish in there, but I had went and got a algae eater or pleco just so she could have some activity in the tank. And so here this guy is, and then we've named him Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Yes, he has 2 names. Right now he's Dr. Jekyll. Doesn't he look like Dr. Jekyll? But 70% of the time he's hiding somewhere, so he's not always up like this, so hence his name, Mr. Hyde. So that's Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. And Hazel is doing fine. She's come around, her spirits are up, and so just wanted to give an update on Hazel. She's doing well. Another thing about cats licking each other that I wouldn't quite call a reason why they lick each other, but it's definitely a benefit of them licking each other, and that's getting to places that they can't get to themselves. Yes, cats lick themselves a lot and they are very clean, but it's impossible for them to get to every place on their body just because their body can't maneuver that way. So if there's more than one cat, that benefits them. From us to you at the Cool Cats crew, we want to ask you to please treat your animals well. They didn't ask to be there with you, but now all they have is you. Treat them like family. Fam.